book. This is like record book.
Okay, so there's how many? You guys are on a quadruple war with kings and jokers. You guys are going to run out of cards. You people are ridiculous. Ryder, sit down. Oh my
This is
God.
amazing.
So it's a fifth war. It's a quintuplet war.
Oh my God.
Ryder, come here. No.
1, 2, 3. Last card. I don't want to play anymore after this because nothing will ever beat this. Never. Oh my God. That's 5 times. That is 5 times. That is unheard of. Oh, I won.
Uh-oh.
Oh, not fun anymore.
Yeah, right? Versus the smiles and the giggles and the
Quitting
laughs.
anyway because we could never ever beat that. That was
Ryder,
fun.
are you
That's a good way to end the
serious?
game because
I'm
it's
gonna
time for
go
us to
poop in the
That
pot.
was awesome,
Alright.
Cole. That was